What's up guys, GGFOREX here, welcome back to my video, and on today's video I'm going to give you an update of what you can expect in the next coming weeks. It's finally happened. I've worked my last day. I am no longer doing a 9 to 5, I'm no longer employed, I am doing this full time. So I now have an extra 168 hours a week to create content, to finish the course, to give you guys as much help as I possibly can. Now I've got an extra 9 hours a day to do that. It's going to be crazy what's going to happen. And I've been doing a lot of demo trading of how I like to do my style over like the last 2 weeks, and it's been going really well. My win rate's been going a lot higher. I've implemented my trade management system, which has been saving my butt time and time again. The people in the GGFOREX group, the link's down below by the way guys, but they can see the setups that I've done, and they can see how many times that my trade management system has saved my ass. And there are some times when if I didn't have it in, it would have done a full move, but over a sample of trades, over a selection of trades, the system has saved me more often than not. And when you're in a funded environment where you can't afford to take that risk, when you're in a private, it's different. You can risk differently. You don't have to go, right, if I lose 5% today, I'm going to lose the account. When you're private, you haven't got those worries. Or if you lose over 10%. So if you wanted to risk 2% per trade on a private account, perfectly fine to do so. On a funded account, not great. 5 strikes, you're out, you know. So there are many ways you can take it, but the TMS, the trade management system that I implement and shown the guys in GGFOREX group, definitely changes the game with one, your mindset, massively with your mindset. This helps you hold the trades because you've already taken money out of it. The risk is off the table. Life is good. It's all golden. Doesn't matter what happens next. You don't care, which is kind of what the thought process you want anyway when you go into the trade initially. But it's hard for your human emotions to cope with that, and then you sabotage yourself. So there's a bunch of different techniques and ways that you can do that over time, but having this trade management system in place kind of like turbocharges that whole situation of how you should be thinking, because again, you're not thinking from fear, your natural human emotions of your brain trying to keep you alive. So you don't want to be wrong, you don't want to lose money, you don't want to leave money on the table. All these things come into play, and the trade management system helps with that. So I've been practicing that for the last 2 weeks, and I've documented it, the whole thing of how I've done that and how it saved me of all my winners, and how I've managed to turn some what would have been losers into winners, right? And it's changing the game for me. So Monday, today is the 29th. Monday, the 1st, I believe, or the 2nd. I want to say the 1st, yes. Today's 29th, so tomorrow 1st. So Monday will be the 1st, right, of November. And that is when I'll get the Ftmo account. And then the following videos that are all coming out after that will be documenting on a daily basis now, because I'm not doing my 9 to 5, documenting my trading whole of that challenge. So it'll be every day update. Even if there isn't a trade that day, I'll still be making a video for it, just so I can show you guys what I'm thinking, why I didn't get into any trades, what I wanted to see, what I'm waiting to happen, all those sort of things that will help you guys out. So every day I'll be filming a video documenting my trading challenge, stage 1 and stage 2 for Ftmo. So I feel like that will be super valuable, rather than just showing you like, okay, this week I did this is what happened. It'll be like a step-by-step process, which I think will be a kind of a game changer, especially on YouTube, and nobody really does that. So that'll be awesome to do. So this video is just a quick update for what to expect, guys. And yeah, I'm super happy where things are going. I'm just so excited that I'm now out of the 9 to 5. I can trade the London session. I'm not going to be missing opportunities. I can implement my TMS system, and I'm over the moon. Life is good, and it's so nice to be able to say, look, Monday I can now trade, rather than Monday I can't really trade, I gotta go to work. So yeah, I don't know I can't really put it into words because it hasn't really fully sunk in yet that I'm 27, I got my P45. So yeah, it's pretty good, it's amazing. Again guys, if you do want to join the group and you can see all those trades that I've done and executed out of and how much it saved me, the link is down below. Anyway guys, quick update, love you all, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.